Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow burger sauce. This delicious condiment is surprisingly simple to prepare at home with just a few common ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, and some basic seasonings. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl, a whisk, and your measuring spoons, and let's get started on creating this perfect burger companion. First, in your mixing bowl, add 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Next, carefully measure and add 1/4 cup of classic yellow mustard. These two form the essential base of our sauce. Using your whisk, gently combine them, stirring until the mixture is perfectly smooth and evenly blended. This step ensures a consistent texture for your delicious burger topping. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to the mixture. For a touch of tang and sweetness, incorporate 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Whisk all these new additions thoroughly until they are fully integrated, ensuring every spoonful bursts with balanced flavor. Finally, give your sauce a taste test. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, perhaps a pinch more salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a tiny bit more sugar to suit your preference. Once perfected, transfer the sauce to an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. It stays fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.